gonna have a rainbow, I know it. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Look at that rain coming down there. Woo. Wow. How green the grass is over there in Carol's yard. Her flowers. My grass. Right. Ooh, look at the water coming out of the drain from my backyard. Comes from the backyard into the front down the sewer. Wow. Look how much water's coming out of there. Wow. See if I can get some more pictures. Yeah, I'm getting wet. It's coming off the thing here. Yikes. I should throw these ferns out in the yard. Thunderstorm. Hear the thunder, guys? Mama's right here. Look, Mommy's right here. Hey, Levi. Mommy right here. It's okay. I know. I'm up here. I'm just taking the rain. I'm right here. No panic attack. But Mr. Sun's coming. Can you see Mr. Sun? He's coming. Right out there. Mr. Sun, Mr. Sun. Are you kidding me? Please come out so we can play with you. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh my. All the water going down there in the grate. Like a river. And the water coming out of my drain over here. Look at that, from my backyard. It comes in a pipe from my backyard to the front, down the front drain. It's like a river of water down the middle of the street there. You see that? You guys see that? Do you see the river? But the grass is growing. You can hear it. You can hear the grass growing. No, no, no. Dandelions are growing. Oh yeah. And my rose bushes are going there. Still gotta plant those other ones, and I gotta plant those dianthus. Jeez Louise. Get rid of it. I should have put these ferns out there. So look at all the water coming down to the drain. Right down into the drain. And the boogaloogas are having anxiety. Are you having anxiety? Because Mommy's out here? What is it? It didn't run away. Here I am. Here I am, Libs. Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to go, peeps. And after every rainstorm, what do you get? A rainbow. Look how beautiful. Guys, a rainbow means hope. There's hope for us all, guys. Look at the rainbow. Look. Oh, I wish everybody would come outside and see it, but they're all in their house. Look at this rainbow. Oh, I'm just gonna take a moment of silence. Yes, me, a moment of silence. I have never seen that big of a rainbow before. Oh my gosh. Carol's tree wasn't there. You have to see the whole thing. Look at this. Guys, that's a miracle. Just like when Noah's Ark, he promised that there is hope for us all. Look at this. Is that not beautiful? Oh my gosh. And I get to see it with my eyes. Oh my gosh. It'd be better if I didn't have these power lines. Hey. Oh, there's a second rainbow. Do you guys see the second rainbow coming up behind it? Look, up above it. Real faint, real faint. I know my friend Heather likes this. Okay guys, I'm in the house now. I'm in the house now. And if Carol didn't have that tree, look, it goes over, and right there I would have the picture of the whole rainbow. Darn tree. It's not that I want her to cut the tree down. I mean, could you just like trim it just a little bit? It doesn't have to be that big. The branches are falling off. If you look at it, guys, look. See these branches? They're all hanging down. She needs to trim, see? She needs to trim it. All these over here, she needs to trim. And then our sunshine with Sally would be fine. But look at this rainbow. That's the biggest rainbow I ever saw. There's a double rainbow above it. If you could see it real faint, or maybe that's a shadow of that rainbow. I don't know. But look at this rainbow. Guys. Colors. Roy G. Biv. Look at the birdies. Hi, birdies. Hey. Hey, birds. Hey, birds.